Guys, we're cooking again today. We're in ISO, so we get to wear whatever the hell we want. I am in the world's comfiest clothes from Rockwear, who is sponsoring this video. Thank you very much. We're gonna make a tuna pancake recipe that serves one. It's savory, it sounds weird, but it's delicious. I have it for lunch most days. It's really high protein, really simple to make. It's gonna be on rotation in your house, so watch this. So I'm gonna start off with one whole egg, large egg, and one egg white. That's all you need. I've got a can of tuna drained as well, pre-drained, just because I'm organised and we're on IGTV, so just looks a bit more profesh. So that's my, save your yolks for something like, I don't know, if you want to add it into something else, into your other baking that I'm sure you're doing. And then, so into the egg and egg white, I've got essentially one of the small cans of tuna that's drained. So I'm just gonna pop that straight in. And then I've got about 3 spring onions. And they've all been pre-chopped. I'm just gonna throw those in there as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna give that a really good mix round. And then into that, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of ground flax. So I've got golden flax. You can use whatever kind of flax you've got at home, but don't use the whole seeds, make sure it's the ground stuff. And once you've opened your flax, try and keep it in the fridge because it's got really good healthy oils in and they can go rancid if you keep it in the cupboard. So just be a little bit careful with it. Same with flax oil if you've got flax oil at home. So the flax is going to essentially thicken up the mixture that we've just made. And I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes just to get it extra thick. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt now and some chili flakes. Don't add the chili flakes if you don't like the spice, obviously. You can add anything now. If you wanted to add some garlic powder, if you wanted to add some onion powder, anything, any spices you want in there. We're just going to mix it round and then leave it for 15. I just got this out the fridge. It's been in there for about 15 minutes. You can totally leave it on the side if that's what you want to do, just in your kitchen, but it just makes it a bit faster if you put it in the fridge. And then I'm going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan, and then I'm going to fry this off probably about 5 minutes on one side and then flip it over and just do another 2 or 3 minutes, but until it's cooked through and a bit solid in the middle. You don't want it runny and gooey. Okay, this is what your pancake's going to look like. 5 minutes on one side, a couple of minutes on the other till it's cooked all the way through. And I'm just going to serve it with a really, really simple, it's spinach, it's not even a salad, I can't even call it a salad. I'm just going to throw this on top. I just like serving things with greens, no measurement, just however much you can stomach. I think traditionally you would add like mayonnaise and a sweet sauce to this if you're doing like a Japanese pancake. I just add plain yogurt to this just to give it some sort of like, I don't know, liquidy yumminess, texture. So I'm serving it with plain Greek. I've got probably 75 grams. And then I'm also gonna serve it up with some fresh avocado because we want good fats. So I'm just gonna chop some of that on top. I'll probably go for a quarter. I actually really want to say a half just because I love avocado, but just in the efforts of ISO kilos, I'm trying to keep them off. I'm gonna do a quarter. So I'm gonna peel that off and put it in there if it comes off, when it comes off. And then I'm gonna serve it with some more chili flakes and probably a squeeze of lime as well. So I'm just gonna throw that on top. God, that came off easy. That was not expected. And then a good pinch of chili. God, I can't wait to eat this. And then some fresh lime. I've just got that everywhere. So professional here in my kitchen. Fresh lime, just freshens the whole thing up. It's delicious. If you've got lemon, you can do that too. And an extra sprinkle of salt, just because I adore pink salt. And that's your lunch.